Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So in this video we're doing a reinstall on a wig. So I just go in with my hair already slicked back, and then I go in with some rubbing alcohol to wipe off my forehead. This is the wig cap that I use. I like to stretch it out because I got a big head, y'all. And then I just stretch it over my head, pull it down over my ears to make sure that it's fully covered and make sure that my hair is pushed back in the wig cap. After I got my wig cap how I like it, I go in and I just cut out my ear tabs so the wig cap could adhere to my sides better. Then I go in with my Ghost Bond glue. Y'all, Ghost Bond has never steered me wrong. I've been using Ghost Bond glue since I've been installing wigs. But I am willing to try out some new glue, so comment down below what glue y'all use. So I just put the glue all along my hairline. And as y'all see, I'm trying to readjust my cap to make sure I get all my hair, my baby hairs put away. And yeah, I just spread the glue out. And then I go in with either a comb or some type of brush with the flat end, and I just spread out the glue and I push it back into my hair. After this is dry, I like to go in with my face powder. I use face powder instead of foundation because it's not as oily as foundation. And I just put that all over the wig cap so it can match my natural skin color.
The level is just too advanced, the bezel is Tiffany stamp, no grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it, they pay me to show you I do it again. Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Let me make this glitz go pop. The crib is over the top, the whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top. I can be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slided some bread in the jam. That's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window. They don't even come on the plane when we land. Anyone else will retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down.
Okay, so right here is gonna be a very important step to do so your wig cap won't be lifted in the back. I cut a hole in the wig cap. And then once I'm done cutting the hole, y'all see that I'm able to pull it down, but instead of pulling it down, I pull it back over my ears so it can hold at the top. Y'all will see what I'm talking about, like right there. So you can leave it like that, but I like mine's tighter, so I cut it and then I just grab both ends and I just tie it in 2 knots, and then I cut off the excess wig cap.
Don't tend at her like Messi. Take the Draco, please get messy. Took Kalani on girls like Nelly's. I was locked, no answer Sally's. No change on my lines like Sally's. This tech 9 whole many. Lucky told me don't trust many. Gang. The level is just too advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp. No grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again. Huh? Yeah. I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Let me make this glitz go pop. The crib just too advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you, just do it. They pay me to show you.
So next I like to go back in with the rubbing alcohol to wipe off any excess product or makeup, anything just to get the surface clean. And then I go in with my first layer of glue, and I just dot it all around my hairline.
I can be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slide some bread in the jam. That's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window. They don't even come when we land.
And then I go in and I am smoothing out the glue. I like to put it a little in front of the hairline, and then I push it back into the cap also.
They stay inviting me over. They say they got pictures. I get there and then it's just them.
Everything go when he live in the house, got chef in me for bed. Can you imagine shit I seen? I went from the road to South Point Queens. The bridge got brain is shattered. I'm climbing, I don't need a ladder. New year, it's a new chapter. Got snap at even snapper. She on the fuck out of anger. Back in the days, life was so hard and pal, I'm trapping backyards. I didn't know about Boyard. I just said, man, can you bank part? Remembering days in courtyard. I came from trap at nights. Trap little bugs in the trap. She wanna spell the facts. Yeah. I can't sell my ass. I got cheese in a bag. My shooters think it's tag. She wanna buy me a tag. BM, text me. Don't tell her like Messi.
So before you go in and put your wig on your head, I think it's best to just smooth it out with your hot comb and a slick stick to get all the little flyaways and all the hairs pushed back so they won't be stuck on your wig cap.
Slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you, just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Might make this glaze go pop.
Next I go in with my second layer of glue. As y'all can see, the first layer is completely dry. So I go in with the second layer, and after I'm done applying the second layer, I am going to smooth it out just like I did the first layer.
Too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you, just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Might make this glaze go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
I can be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slide some bread in the jam. That's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window. They don't even come on play when we land. Anyone else will retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down so no one can find them again. It's gotta be scary to witness me carry these niggas around in both of my hands. They stay inviting me over, they say they got pictures, I get there and then it's just them.
Got verse from the boy named Liti. Send me a new and say use instead. Everything go when he live in the house, got chef in me for bed. Can you imagine shit I seen? I went from the road to South Point Queens. The bridge got brain is shattered. I'm climbing, I don't need a ladder. New year, it's a new chapter. Got snap at even snapper. She on the fuck out of anger. Back in the days, life was so hard and pal, I'm trapping backyards. I didn't know about Boyard. I just said, man, can you bank part? Remembering days in courtyard. I came from trap at nights. Trap little bugs in the trap. She wanna spell the facts. Yeah. I can't sell my ass. I got cheese in a bag. My shooters think it's tag. She wanna buy me a tag. BM, text me. Don't tell her like Messi. Take the Draco, please get messy. Took Kalani on girls like Nelly.
Okay, now I go in with my third layer, and then I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did for my first and second layer.
The level is just too advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you, just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Might make this glaze go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
The level just too advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glitz go pop.
Okay, so now all 3 layers are dry. So I'm grabbing my wig and I'm centering it in the middle. And I'm sticking it down right where I put all my layers at. And then I grab my side tabs and I stick that down one by one. And I go in with my comb, the end of my comb, and the flat part, and I'm just pushing it down into the glue.
Everything go when he live in the house, got chef and me for bed. Can you imagine shit that I seen? I went from the road to South Point Dreams. The bridge got burned and shattered. I'm climbing, I don't need a ladder. New year, it's a new chapter. Our snap, I even snapper. She on the fuck out of anger. Back in the days, life was so hard and Pelham trapping backyard. I didn't even know about Boyard. I just said, man, can you bank part? Remembering days in courtyard. I came from trap at Nats. Trap little bugs in the trap. She wanna spell the facts. Yeah, I can't sell my ass.
So after that, I like to go in and I like to smooth all my hair back just to see what else did not stick. And then I go in with some more glue in the areas that aren't sticking and just lay that along my hairline and repeat the process.
The level is just too advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glitz go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
The level is just too advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glitz go pop.
I can be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slide some bread in the jam. That's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window. They don't even come on the plane when we land. Anyone else will retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down so no one can find them again. It's gotta be scary to witness me carry these niggas around in both of my hands. They stay inviting me over, they say they got bitches, I get there and then it's just them.
Got verse from the boy named Leaky. Send me a new and say use instead. Everything go when he live in the house, got chef and me for bed. Can you imagine shit that I seen? I went from the road to South Point Dreams. The bridge got burned and shattered. I'm climbing, I don't need a ladder. New year, it's a new chapter. Our snap, I even snapper. She on the fuck out of anger. Back in the days, life was so hard and Pelham trapping backyard. I didn't even know about Boyard. I just said, man, can you bank part? Remembering days in courtyard. I came from trap at Nats. Trap little bugs in the trap. She wanna spell the facts. Yeah, I can't sell my ass. I got cheese in a bag. My shooters think it's tag. She wanna buy me a tag. BM, text me. Don't tend at her like Messi. Take the Draco, please and get messy. Took Kalani on girls like Nelly's. I was locked, no answer to Sally's. No change in my lines like Sally's.
So now that all my lace is laid down, I go in with my elastic wig band and tie it down right along my hairline so my lace can melt even more into my wig cap.
Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glitz go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
The level level is just too advanced, the bezel is Tiffany stamp, don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it, they pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glaze go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
I can't be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slide some bread in the jam, that's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window, they don't even come on the plane when we land. Anyone else will retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down so no one can find them again. It's gotta be scary to witness me carry these niggas around in both of my hands. They stay inviting me over.
So now I'm going in with my sleek stick. I'm slicking it down with my hot comb. And then I'm going to repeat the process on both sides.
Imagine shit they see now. Went from the road to South Point News. The bridge got brain is shattered. I'm climbing, I don't need a ladder. New year, it's a new chapter. Got snap back, even snapper. She on the fuck out of anger. Back in the days, life was so hard and pal, I'm trapped in backyards. I didn't know about Boyard. I just said, man, can you bank part? Remembering days in courtyard. I came from trap at Nats. Trap little bugs in the trap. She wanna spell the facts. Yeah. I can't sell my ass. I got cheese in a bag. My shooters think it's tag. She wanna buy me a tag. BM, text me. Don't tend at her like Messi. Take the Draco, please and get messy. Took Kalani on girls like Nelly's. I was locked, no answer to Sellies. No change in my lines like Sully's. This tech 9 whole many. Lucky told me don't trust many. Gang.
The level is just too advanced, the bezel is Tiffany stamp, don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it, they pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glaze go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
The level is just too advanced, the bezel is Tiffany stamp, don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left.
So next I'm going in for my edges. I parted them out already. And then next I am going to hot comb them down just so they can get away from the rest of my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my mini flat ironer to curl them up.
I can't be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slide some bread in the jam, that's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window, they don't even come on the plane when we land. Anyone else will retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down so no one can find them again. It's gotta be scary to witness me carry these niggas around in both of my hands. They stay inviting me over, they say they got bitches, I get there and then it's just them.
Diverse from the Buena Elite, send me a new and say use instead. Everything good when you live in the house, got chef and me for bed. Can you imagine shit they see now? Went from the road to South Point News. The bridge got brain is shattered. I'm climbing, I don't need a ladder. New year, it's a new chapter. Got snap back, even snapper. She on the fuck out of anger. Back in the days, life was so hard and pal, I'm trapped in backyards. I didn't know about Boyard. I just said, man, can you bank part? Remembering days in courtyard. I came from trap at Nats. Trap little bugs in the trap. She wanna spell the facts. Yeah. I can't sell my ass. I got cheese in a bag. My shooters think it's tag. She wanna buy me a tag. BM, text me. Don't tend at her like Messi. Take the Draco, please and get messy. Took Kalani on girls like Nelly's. I was locked, no answer to Sellies.
So I don't really know how to explain how I did my edges. I just did swooping motions, I guess. And then I let my finger follow the brush. And then after that, I go in with my Got To Be spray. And I like to spray my edges down and tie them down.
Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glaze go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
is just too advanced. The bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the block. You know how October get hot. Wanna make this glaze go pop. The crib is over the top. The whip is over the top. I thought about letting her go, but I wasn't over the top.
I can be pale in my casket, make sure I die with a 10. It's part of the brand. I know that I came with a slide from left to right, but now I don't wanna dance. Can I depend on a man? I slided some bread in the jam. That's just who I am. Custom just waving at us from the window. They don't even come on the plane when we land. Anyone else would retire, but I'm not content. I wanna bury these niggas like 20 feet down so no one can find them again.
So this is just how I decided to style my wig. If you guys would like to see how I styled it and how I created that look, y'all could just continue to watch the video. But this will be all for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope that my wig install was very detailed and it helped you out. Comment down below what y'all liked about the video and what y'all would like to see next. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, because I know y'all gonna want to see more of me. Bye. Love y'all.
If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm the lowest of the low.